Today we're at 118 Sausalito Boulevard in Sausalito. It's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath with an absolutely spectacular view. Coming into the 2-car tandem carport, that door right there leads to a large storage room. So when you come into the house, you have the half bath right here, which you can see has these great modern finishes, very high end. And then you turn in to this absolutely spectacular view with a modern fireplace. Here's the kitchen with high-end appliances, a deep basin sink, a gas range, and yes, the refrigerator does have an ice machine. On the upper level, there's hardwood that, yes, is actual wood. Coming out here, we'll see a large deck with an absolutely spectacular view. That's Angel Island, and we have Belvedere over there. You can see a nice large deck, plenty of room for lounging. Here we have a coat closet. Now we'll go down the stairs. To the right is the laundry closet, which has a substantial amount of space. And here's the first bedroom. Both bedrooms share a deck and have access to it. Here we have the closet. And this bedroom is large enough to fit a queen-size bed. And again, an absolutely gorgeous view. Here we have the full bath, modern finishes, a deep basin sink, and a floating vanity. And here's the second bedroom. Absolutely amazing water view, access to a deck. And there's a closet. The entire bottom floor is carpeted and the upstairs has hardwood. Let's do one final look and we'll see the view from the balcony.